today's topic of discussion is how to get the data using the like class. So before moving further, I will first tell you like why do we need actually the like class. So let us get the raw information first from human resources.employee table, and here again I am getting 290 rows from this table. You may confirm it from the messages tab over here. Okay, now let's suppose that I would like to have data coming with respect to the login ID information, but when it comes to character data and I am actually giving the equals to clause, it means that the data, whatever the data will be residing in the login ID, it should be equals to the adventure to the expression, the character expression, which is actually I am giving over here right now, right? So whenever I will execute this information, I will get only the information which is related to the expression mentioned here, where right now it is adventure works slash can 0, so I will get only one row. But what if I would like to play with it, play with the character data, like I would like to have information coming from the employee table with respect to some kind of character expression or based on the regular expression. For this we will utilize the like clause instead of having a equals to clause. For like right now I am actually I have written down this query in which I am actually asking for like to get all the information from employees table where the login ID, the contents of the login ID will contain the L uh, L character in their character data set. What does that mean? It means like there is a lot of information residing in the login ID column here, and I want to see only that data which contains L in the uh, L in their content. For example, adventure works slash Dylan 0. So there is a L involved over here. So all there's another one which is over here, which is adventure works slash Michael, and there's L in here, and it means and the percentages sign mean like it is within the data. It could be at the start of the data, it could be at the end of the data, it could be at the middle of the data. So when I will execute the statement, I will get 64 rows, and in all these rows the login ID column will contain the information, only that information in which the character L will be coming. For example, this is Gail, this is Dylan, this is Michael, this is Michelle, and so forth, right? So if I move forward and I want to see the data in which should be starting with only one character or some kind of like character expression, but there should not be anything before that. So what I will do, like I will write my character over here, or the list of character over here, and then I will write the percentage sign. It means that all the data will be started with this particular character which I have mentioned over here. Right now it is A, it can be anything, like it can be adventure in itself, right? So, and percentage means like after that percentage anything can be coming, can come, like it could be adventures dash notworks, something like that. Right now I have this data set, so when I will execute the statement, I will get all the information based on the login ID information, in which the login ID is starting with the adventure word. So if I would like to get the data in which ends with the particular expression, right now I am asking in this query is like I want to see all the information in which login ID ends with N0, right? So for example, this is here like can 0, so N and 0 is over here, so that will be in our resultant data set. But uh, for example, if I ask this one adventurework slash Terry 0, there's I and 0 at the end, so it won't be coming in my resultant data set. So let's start. Here you can see all the information over here, and all this data set will contain only n and 0 based on the login ID which is provided over here. So this is a very good exam. So I hope that you guys will like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my